Hey there, business owners, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you this week. Today I want to talk about wrapping up the year. As you all know, 2018 is on its way out, and before you know it, 2019 will be on us. So like most business owners, if you're like me, you're probably looking back on 2018 and wondering what went right, what went wrong, what could have been done better, and setting new goals for 2019 and working out processes and strategies for achieving those goals. All right, and you should absolutely be doing that for your social media strategies as well. So one of the things you want to do is look back on 2018 and do an audit, do a social media audit, and look at things like what content worked really well for you, what got you the most engagement, what did your audience really respond to, what got you the results, achieve the goals that you wanted to achieve, whether those goals were getting people to click on something or sign up for something or engage more with you, whatever it turns out to be. Maybe it's selling more product or selling your service, raising your brand profile, whatever it is. What content helped you get you and your business to where you wanted it to be. Now, this might have been different at the beginning of the year than it is at the end of the year, so that's why it's important to do the audit. You not only want to see what kind of content worked, but you also want to see when your audience engaged the most or when you got the best results. So what days of the week should you be posting? What times of day should you be posting? You can just go into your Facebook Insights and your Instagram Insights, for instance, and see when is your audience online on these platforms, and that's when you should be posting the most. And you might also want to be thinking about next year. One of a good goal for the year coming in is try out a new social media platform, right? Ultimately, you want to get your business to a point where you're on all the major platforms. There's the big five, right? There's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So if you're not on all five of these platforms, then add one of them and make that a goal for next year, for 2019. You also want to reach out to your social media audience and just check in with them and see what it is that you can do for them in the new year, which is what I want to do here with this video. I had a really great year business-wise, also personal-wise. One of my goals for 2018 was to put out 50 of these videos that you're watching right now. And I think this is video number 59, so yay me. That goal was achieved, and I reached out to a lot of you with these videos, and I want to know what kind of content can I help you with in the upcoming year. What kind of questions would you like me to answer? I know a lot of you seem to be interested in videos that were regarding, becoming a better blogger, becoming a better writer, overcoming writer's block, and also how to protect your privacy, how to protect your content, so people don't steal it, that kind of thing. So tell me what you'd like to hear from me, and I will put together a content schedule. I'm actually in the process of putting together a content schedule for 2019. So if you have anything you'd like to ask me, I will add it to the lineup. And I will see you in 2019. Have a great holiday and best wishes for the new year. Take care.